If you're stuck in debt and nothing seems to work, this is the exact plan people use to get out fast. Most people stay in debt for years, not because they don't try, but because they're using the wrong strategy. Today, I'm going to show you the exact debt payoff plan that actually works, step by step. Minimum payments keep you trapped. Interest keeps growing, and every month feels like you're getting nowhere. Here's the truth. There are only 3 things that actually matter when paying off debt: strategy, consistency, momentum. Step 1. Stop the bleeding. Before anything, stop adding new debt. Cut unnecessary spending. Pause subscriptions and avoid new credit charges. Step 2. List all your debts. Write down every debt: credit cards, loans, balances, interest rates. This gives you control. Step 3. Choose your method. Option 1. Snowball method. Pay smallest debt first, builds momentum. Option 2. Avalanche method. Pay the highest interest first, saves the most money. If you struggle with motivation, use Snowball. If you want maximum efficiency, use Avalanche. Step 4. Focus on one debt. Put every extra dollar toward one debt. Pay minimums on everything else. Step 5. Increase your income. This is where people win fast. Sell something. Pick up a side hustle. Even an extra $200 month changes everything. Step 6. Automate your payments. Automation removes excuses. Set it once. Progress happens automatically. Step 7. Build momentum. Once one debt is gone, roll that payment into the next one. This creates a snowball effect. This is where everything speeds up. At first it feels slow, then suddenly, debt starts disappearing. You're not bad with money. You just needed the right system. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more informative finance videos.